What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Llambro from Fortnite. Let's get started by drawing the head facing towards the left so we can see all the details of the face. So on the left side, let's start with the bottom edge of the horn. Starting out here, draw a curve coming down, then just bend that back up on the right. And we'll take the sides and draw two straight lines merging towards the point. Let's start on the left, go up in an angle towards the top, and then bring that back down towards the right side. Let's fill the inside of the horns with those threads. Starting from the bottom left, go across, and bend that up, leave a gap, and we're just going to continue this all the way up toward the top of the horn. Now from here we're going to draw the front edge of the face. Starting on the left side of the horn, draw a straight angle line, coming down and out. We come straight across towards the right side. Now I'm going to follow that same angle, going up towards the top of the head, to right about there. And we'll pull the top of the head, coming back in towards the side of the horn. Let's go to the bottom corners and draw two straight angle lines coming down, starting on the left. Just angle this down towards the left. And do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. And then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go to the inside and draw in the nostrils. We leave a gap in the center, draw two straight lines. One on the left, and then one on the right. Let's flatten off the tops, and then the bottom. And then we'll close off the outside with another straight line. Let's fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw a short line going across. And then from here, we're going to draw a small oval going all the way around, go up, and then back down. And we'll trace that oval along the inside. Let's go back to the left side of the oval. We're going to draw the jaw coming down in an angle, go straight across towards the left. And then we'll draw the front edge of the jaw. From the ends, draw a short angle line, going over towards the right, and then close off the bottom with a straight line. Now I'm going to bring the jaw back up towards that oval, with a straight angled line. Let's draw the top edge of the jaw. On the left corner, angle up and in. Now I'm just going to trace the jaw, going across, and then up underneath the head. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the front edge of the tooth, going up, go straight across, and we'll pull that down. Go back up to the top right corner, and go up underneath the head. Now we're going to go back over towards the left side of the head, draw a straight angle line coming down and in on top of the teeth, and it'll fill that upper area in black. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top of the head and draw a straight angle line, coming down and out towards the back of the head. And we'll just round out the back of the head, going out and then bending that down. We're just going to line up with the bottom of that oval. And we'll draw a straight line coming back in. Let's add that ring along the bottom. Starting at the top, we'll draw a circle, going all the way around and back up. And we'll trace that circle along the inside. Let's go to the top right corner of the muzzle, draw a straight angle line coming down in behind that ring. Now move over towards the right side, angle up and out. Now we're going to trace this strap along the top. So from the left side, we're going to step up, straight line going across. Now we're going to come down with that same angled line towards that ring, go over towards the right, angle up and out. Let's go to the bottom of the strap, add a curve, going up and then down inside the ring. Go up to the top of the strap, curve in and then down, and on the right, come in and down. Now let's draw a large circle for the eye just up above the ring. Starting from the top, go all the way around, and then back up towards the top. And we'll add the pupil on the top right side of the eye. Start with a small circle. And we'll add a small highlight circle on the top. And then we'll fill the bottom area in black. Let's go to the top corner of the head and draw on the ear. Starting here, we're going to draw that same angle, going up and across. Flatten off the top of the short line. And we'll come back down and in on top of the head. And then from the tip of the ear, draw 2 short lines going up. And then we'll close this off with a straight line. Now from the top right corner, angle down and out on top of the head. And we'll pull that straight down. Let's place the mohawk on top of the head. We're going to start on the left side, curve up, and then bend that out. Now I'm just going to go across towards the top. I'm just going to bend that down on top of the head on the right side. And then from the top left corner, we're going to step in, follow that same curve, going across and then down in behind the ear. Let's add some texture along the side of the mohawk. Starting from the top, just going to angle down towards the bottom, move over. Now we're just going to aim towards the center of the head. Just pulling these in. Now we want to draw that same ear over on the left side of that horn. So let's line at the bottom, start with a straight line going across, and just like we did on the right, go straight up, and pull that back in. And then from the bottom left, we're going to draw that same angle line coming down in behind the horn. Let's line up at the top of the ear over on the right side of that horn, angle down and out in behind the mohawk. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on that large collar. We're going to start from the bottom corner of the head, add a curve going out and then in. I'm just going to pull this in and then down toward the center of the body. Curve this up and out underneath the jaw. And then leaving a gap in the center, we're going to draw 2 lines. One on the left, coming straight down, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start underneath the jaw, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Go to the right side underneath the collar, curve out, and then down towards the same height. And then we'll close off the bottom. Starting on the left, come down the middle, and then bend that up. Now we want to draw that pouch going across the body. Let's start from the top of the body on the left, curve down towards the bottom, round this out, and pull that up on the right. Let's go back to the left side, step in, curve across a little bit higher in the middle, and then go straight out. Let's add some more detail to the body. We're going to start with the clip over on the left side, draw a straight angled line going up, step down, draw that twice, and then we'll add the zipper. Leaving a gap, we're just going to curve down and then up towards the right. Now I'm going to go back to the center of the collar, draw a straight line coming down in behind the pouch, and we'll continue along the bottom. Let's add some deep stitches going across the vest. We're going to start on the left side, curve down the middle, and then back up on the right side. Let's come down on the left, curve down in behind the pouch, continue up on the right. Now we're going to continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's move to the center, step down, add a curve, from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up towards the toe on both sides. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. We're going to start from the toe, we're going to draw almost like a half circle, going up, aiming towards the heel, stop right about there, and we'll bend that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. From the left hip, we're going to step in, curve the leg going out, and down on top of the foot, step in on the right side, and do the same thing. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We want to take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across. And then just up above the foot, we're going to draw the edge of the pant. Starting on the outside, curve down, and then up. Line this up on the right, do the same. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start on the left side of the body, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, go out, and then down. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle, coming in and then out for the thumb. Let's close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, and curve down and then up around that bracket. Step down, curve down and up. And then along the side, curve the 3rd finger going out, bend the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Starting underneath the thumb, come down and then up. And then the 3rd finger, we're going to go out, pull this up and in towards the side of the collar. And then we're going to separate the edge of the cuff, starting from the top of the thumb, curve up, and then down on the outside. Step up and draw that same curve along the top. Let's add that pocket on the side of the right arm. Starting from the top, and go down and in, and down and out, and go up towards the side. Let's add a small pouch on the left hip. Starting out here, go straight across, straight down, and then pull that back in. And we'll add a pouch on the side of the leg. Starting on the left, a straight line going out. Let's line this up on the right. Looking straight down. And then pull that back in. And that's pretty much it. There's Llambro from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.